Okay, so next part of my rough draft has this piece right here next to his eye I'm gonna do. I have that marked as a circle, but what I really want to cover is like how to get maybe just that portion of the circle um, so that I get, a little over half of it. Okay, I'll go back to my graph. Let's see, just, knowing what I know about the equation of the circle, I'm going to do the one on the left. So I'm going to say like x plus 2 quantity squared plus, let's put the center at positive 1. So y, oops, minus 1 quantity squared equals 1. Okay, I actually want it lower, so I'm going to get rid of that and maybe make it a plus 1. And then I actually want it to move left as well, so I'm going to tweak that. I'll do like a plus 4. Nope, 3, 2.5. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with where it's at. So in this one, I want it the portion to not intersect over his eye and maybe like cut off a little bit down here because that's what it looks like in the image. So this can be a little bit tricky. Um, so like I don't want anything to the right of this point right here, which is x equals negative 1.999. So I'm going to put a restriction there for all x's that are less than negative 1.999. Oops. But I also don't want like all of this piece down here. I want it to kind of like cut off right about here. So, I'm going to hover over a point, like let's say I want all my y's to be greater than negative 1.6. So at the same time, I can restrict it for y's greater than negative 1.6. Oops, or 0.5, it really wouldn't have mattered. Okay, and so I kind of got that portion. If I'm not happy with it, I can always change it. Like if I feel like I'd like it to curl down a little bit more, then maybe make that a little bit longer. So I am allowed to restrict both the X's and the Y's. And then remember, you can go to your settings gear and you can change the color if you want.